Welcome to How to Solve.
In today's video, I will teach you how to see who viewed your threads on Threads app. So once you are here on Threads app, you should go to your profile and you will be able to see the threads you've posted. Now click a certain threads. On my case, I just posted one. And then you will be able to see that I don't have any comments yet or any likes other than myself. So let's try to go back home. Now try to find a thread. For example, this one. So there are a lot of comments and likes on this one. So let's try to see that there are 67 replies. And if we click that likes, we will be able to see the people that has liked these threads. So this is one way for you to see who has viewed your threads. And then the next one is that if they comment down. To simply just know if they had viewed your threads, you might as well check whether they liked it or who liked it and who commented on that certain thread.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.